This is number 2. Got about an hour, and we're on our way. There we go. Still driving. Haven't got out of the car yet. Not live, so I'm videoing, but I'm not live. Alright, well there's not really much to do right now until we get out there in the woods and having fun.
Hi, I'm Dan Patrick.
Guess I can keep showing you guys the view for a little while of what I see out the windows. There you go.